Hi guys, today I would like to share a tutorial of how to do a French binding by using all the printable of my new collection from Classy Ladies, in which I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 signature, and each of a signature I just poke a hole, 4 holes. This is number 1, 2, 3, 4, and the measurement of from the top until the first hole is about an inch and a half, and also this one as well, and this one measured from bottom to the fourth hole is inch and a half, and also from this one, the fourth to the third, also inch and a half. So this one should look like this, and then you ready to bind. And this one is, let me check, this one is going to be my first signature, but I'm going to put my first signature, and then I'm going to put like at the last, but I'm going to bind on the last signature first, which is on the 8. So I will just using, this is number 8, and there are total of, hold on, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 3 pages. Okay, so once you have everything, and you have to have like a thread, I will use this one. It's not a wax, it's just like a bookbinding thread. So the cream color, because I'm going to don't want anything to see much from this one. So from the fourth hole, from the bottom, I will put the needle inside and poke through the last one, the last page. Okay, let me check. Okay, this is the fourth one. So you just pull it through. It's a bit tight because my needle is kind of, oh, what happened? Okay, got it. Because my needle here is very thick. It's long as well, so I will leave the end of this one maybe about 2 inch. Just leave it like that first, and then just the same needle and poke it out. Okay, this is very simple. I'm trying to explain because just only what when I explain this one, just only if you can do for 3 signature, and the rest is going to be the same. And the third one, just put it in. Okay, so have to concentrate on how to poke at this one to make it sure it all goes through. It's very difficult to do this one and talking at the same time. Okay, hold on, it's difficult. Okay, and pull it to make sure that the thread is not make any knot. Okay, so it's going to be like this, and then this one is very easy. You will not see why it's like a crisscross, but it will show on the second and also on the third signature. But the first one is just going in, out, in and out. Okay, basically like this. Okay, now is use the second signature on top of this one. This one is going to be my actually is on the 7th signature, to make sure that I have